Well, hello and good morning and welcome back to the channel. It's been a couple of months since Tony and I have managed to get out due to work commitments. So today we thought we'd stay local-ish and come to this double waterfall that we've never vlogged before. Now we've been here and we've took images of it before, but we've never actually vlogged it. So today I thought, you know what, we'll record a little visit. So as I say, double waterfall. It's nice, it's hard to photograph though, because you are up on the cliff. So it's trying to find that right composition. Where I'm stood just now is my usual composition for this location. However, the tree to the right, this one, and the one to the left, I usually use that to frame the scene. Today I'm not doing that. Today I've zoomed in slightly, and up on the left hand side is a little outcrop with a tree. My idea of that is that will frame the waterfall, and to the right hand side the cliffs will frame the right hand side. At the top there we have a bridge with the farmer's road going across. I've included that. I usually crop the sky out just at the bridge because I just think it's ugly. It's not nice. So the waterfall itself is nice. You see you got the bottom falls and it kind of runs up to the main waterfall, which is running pretty good today. We have had a lot of rain, hence why the reason we came here. Took several shots already when the light was quite nice, and I have used a polarizer for a couple of them just to take the sheen off the top of the water. Just got a few of the autumn leaves just way past our best, so there is some of them up in the trees there, which will add to the, I'm hoping anyway, it will add to the image, but we'll see. I do like this location. Really nice in the winter as well when it's frozen, because you get the icicles coming down. And if it snowed, it's even better. So, here's the image. See if you like it. Right, so for this second shot, the 70 to 200mm lens in, I'm zoomed right in to 200mm. On the bottom left hand side there's a rock poking out of the water, and on the right hand side we have the rock with the falls hitting it. For this image I'm thinking black and white, maybe a high contrast. I have no polarizer on the front of it because I quite like that sheen. I think it will lend itself quite well once I convert it to black and white. Here's the image, see what you think. Let us know if you like it.